माइक्रोवेव्स। सबसे पहले हमें पता होना चाहिए कि वेव्स क्या हैं। व्हाट आर वेव्स? So we all know that waves are disturbance of any medium or a continual disturbance, oscillation or vibration that transfers energy from one location to another is known as wave. We have mainly two types of waves, that are mechanical waves and electromagnetic waves, and the microwaves are actually electromagnetic waves consisting of electric and magnetic fields. First of all, we discuss about its discovery, when and how microwaves were discovered. Microwaves were first generated in 1890s in some of the radio experiments by physicists who thought of them as a form of invisible light. माइक्रोवेव्स को फर्स्ट जब जनरेट हुई थी वो हुई थी 1890s में रेडियो एक्सपेरिमेंट यानी रेडियो वेव्स के एक्सपेरिमेंट्स के दौरान 1890s में ये डिस्कवर हुई थी। और उस वक्त जिन फिजिसिस्ट ने इसे डिस्कवर किया था उन्होंने माइक्रोवेव्स को इनविजिबल लाइट का नेम दिया। इफ़ वी ड्रॉ अटेंशन टुवर्ड्स इट्स नेम, then the prefix micro in microwaves indicates that microwaves are small, means having shorter wavelength as compared to radio waves. माइक्रो से मुराद ये नहीं है कि ये सबसे शॉर्टर वेवलेंथ की होती हैं। एक्चुअल में इनका मतलब ये है, इनको माइक्रोवेव इसलिए कहा जाता है क्योंकि रेडियो वेव्स के कंपैरिजन में इनकी वेवलेंथ शॉर्ट होती है, इसलिए इनको माइक्रोवेव्स का नेम दिया गया। नाउ इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट इट्स wavelength and frequency, so its microwaves have wavelength ranging from about 1 meter to 1 millimeter, and its corresponding frequency is between 300 megahertz to 300 gigahertz respectively. Simple जरा कि microwaves have later frequencies, but different sources define different frequency ranges at microwaves. डिफरेंट सोर्सेज के थ्रू हमारे पास डिफरेंट फ्रीक्वेंसी रेंजेस के माइक्रोवेव्स आ सकती हैं। माइक्रोवेव्स हैव सम स्पेसिफिक प्रॉपर्टीज एज दे आर electromagnetic waves, so they consist of electric and magnetic fields which are perpendicular to each other. They propagate in free space freely. Microwaves are not reflected by ionosphere. Microwaves travel in a straight line and reflected by the conducting surface. It is a really interesting property that microwaves are reflected by conducting surface, but they can penetrate through dielectrics. Their penetration depth is infinite in dielectrics. In electromagnetic spectrum, they lies between radio and infrared radiations. There are many advantages of microwaves, and that's why microwaves have a lot of applications related to our daily lives. The first advantage of microwaves is support large bandwidth and hence more information is transmitted. For this reason, microwaves are used for point-to-point communication. The second is, as we know, microwaves have higher frequency, so there will be low power consumption as signals are of higher frequencies. More antenna gain is possible because microwaves have a large range of wavelength and higher frequencies. Higher data rates are transmitted. Antenna size gets reduced as the frequencies are higher. In case when frequencies are higher, then antenna size get reduced, and when the frequencies are lower, then antenna size should be increased. Satellite and terrestrial communications with high capacities are possible. सैटेलाइट में माइक्रोवेव्स को यूज़ किया जाता है, जैसे कि ग्लोबल नेविगेशन सैटेलाइट सिस्टम है, ग्लोबल पोजीशनिंग सैटेलाइट सिस्टम है। इन सब में हम जानते हैं कि माइक्रोवेव्स यूज़ की जाती हैं। लो कॉस्ट मिनिएचर माइक्रोवेव कंपोनेंट्स कैन बी डेवलप्ड. These were some of the advantages of microwaves. Now, disadvantages. There are few disadvantages of microwaves. Cost of equipment or installation cost is high. Equipments or instruments used are hefty and occupy more space. Electromagnetic interference is a phenomenon that may occur in case of microwaves, as microwaves have higher frequencies. In order to get proper results using microwaves, we have to overcome this phenomena while using the instruments. Variation in dielectric properties with temperature may occur. These are some of the disadvantages of microwaves. Applications of microwaves. There are a wide variety of applications of microwaves which are not possible for other radiations. First of all, and the most common, is wireless communication. For long distances telephone calls, we know that for long distance telephone calls, Bluetooth, broadcast auxiliary services, personal communication systems, etc. Next is in electronics, phase shifters, HF generations, tuning elements. In commercial sector, burglar alarms, garage door openings, speed detectors, satellite television and radio, motion detectors. In navigation, microwaves are used in global navigation satellite system, global positioning satellite system, that is GPS, we all know about it. In the sector of military and radar to detect the range and speed of the target, sonar applications, air traffic control, weather forecasting, navigation of ships, speed limit enforcement. Military uses microwave frequencies for communication and for the above mentioned applications. In research applications, microwaves are used in atomic resonance and nuclear resonance. It is also widely used in radio astronomy for the detection of powerful waves in universe and in Earth's atmosphere. The most common use of microwave is in food industry and in medical applications. So in food industry, microwave ovens are used for reheating and cooking. Food processing applications, roasting food grains, beans, drying potato chips, and absorbing water molecules. Microwaves are used in many medical applications. Some of them are monitoring heartbeat, lung water detection, tumor detection, regional hyperthermia, local heating, microwave tomography, microwave acoustic imaging, etc. There are many more applications of microwaves in different fields, but besides its advantages, disadvantages are a wide variety of applications. Microwaves also have harmful effects on human health. According to research, some of them are: microwave radiations can heat body tissues the same way it heat food. That's why exposure to high level of microwaves can cause a painful burn. It increase childhood cancer rate, increase spontaneous abortions. Continuous use of that food which is heat up or cooked using microwaves, this can change the makeup of your blood cholesterol level and can change heart rates. So we have to be careful using microwaves. Experts suggested avoid microwave ovens and avoid exposure to microwaves or high frequency microwaves. And try to keep your cell phones away while sleeping or while you are not using your cell phones, because a cell phone produces about the same frequency of electromagnetic radiations as a microwave oven. So be careful. Thank you.